conference will now be recorded.
I'm Rudula, Archita, Richla, Kavya, Dhriti. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. So, do you have any doubts regarding for the last class practical about IP address? And I gave one practical assignment also. So, to find out the IP address and IP class, network ID, and broadcast ID. So, how many of you have completed? This is the one I told you to do this. Find out the IP address like ping-4 google.com, then again ping-4 youtube.com. So IP address, this is the IP address, then website name is google.com. Then next I have one more IP here. This would be what youtube.com. So which class it is, which class IP? This is, as I said, class B. This is also class B. Then subnet mask, 255.255.0.0, 255.255.0.0, and one more what I said is network ID 142.251.0.0. Again, this would be the same. Then broadcast ID 142.251.255.255. This is the one assignment I gave you, right? How many websites, as I said? I told you to take around minimum of 15 websites. So now I'll give 5 minutes of time. So start your timings. At least you try to find that another 4 to 5 website IP address and other parameters. Those who have not done, like not reported, right, in the WhatsApp group. I'm not going to waste your time. So just you take at least two or three website names and find out that what is the network ID, broadcast ID, and subnet mask, and which class it belongs to. Make it fast and send me that report in the group itself or in the chat box area, whichever is possible. So if you say okay, then I will wait. So or else if you want some more time to do it, and I can give you that as an assignment to those who have not yet completed. So ping me in the WhatsApp or chat box, then I can proceed next. Dhriti, Harshita, Richla, Kavya, Mridula. So I'm waiting for your reply.
Sir, I'm so sorry to ask, but could you like show how to do it again? Like I was trying it yesterday and I like my command like I didn't get it properly.
Have you seen now how I have done this?
No, like the screen was freezing, but now it's coming properly. Could you please show it again? Sorry, sir.
Okay. So step one, open command prompt. So how do you open command prompt? Press Windows key plus R. This is to open run prompt. In that prompt, type cd, then press enter key. So I'm using Windows key plus R, then you type cmd, press enter key. Now console is opened. In the same console, this is the default address. This is your DOS console. In this DOS console, use ping-4 google.com, then press enter key. Then this is your output or replay. In the replay, you will get IP address. Example, this is the one. You can notice and repeat the same steps for another website. What would be that? youtube.com, and this would be the IP address. And you prepare one table like this, like whatever IP you are getting. In the first column, write it. In the second column, write the website name. Then which class it is. I said yesterday, so class A. then class B, class C. Okay, it's enough. So class A, the first field, any number comes between 1 to 126. Then it is class A. Then 128 to 191. This is, I'm talking about only for the first field. Look at this. Only for the first field. Any range, any number between the number range, any number comes, then you assume that it is class ABC. Then 192 to 223. This is what class C. So now 142 comes in between what 128 to 191. So let's take one more here. Ping -4 yahoomail.com, something like this. There's an IP address now. Right here, where you write yahoomail.com. Now could you tell me which class it is now? What would be the range? Which range is applicable?
Class A.
Class A, right? Class A here. Okay, then what would be the subnet mask of class A? So how many networks for class A? So yesterday I've sent you notes in the group itself. One field is network, three field is host. Then for class B, two network, two host. Then class C, three network, one host, like this. For class A, 255.0.0.0. Is it okay? 255.0.0.0. This would be what 255.255.0.0. Then 255.255 dot one more 255.0. So this is how it works. Then network ID and 0 is always network ID. As I said, 255 is our broadcast ID or broadcast number. So 13.0.0.0 because it's a class A. So how many fields are there for host? 3. So then you must write that 000. Then broadcast, that would be 13.255.255.250. This is how you have to write. Is it understand now?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, so will you take another two websites and will you implement now itself? So try, you can understand, or if you get any doubts, then I can clarify your doubts immediately. So I would request you to perform here itself. Try to implement it in such a way.
Sir, I'm getting a different IP address when I do it. Is that fine? Or am I supposed to
Which
get the same one?
you tell me which website it is.
No, I did the Google. I did Google itself, and
No problem.
I got a, a different IP address is all right.
Hyphen
I
4.
got
Did you use that hyphen 4?
yes. I
Ping
used
space
ping
hyphen 4
space
google.com.
space google.com.
Do you have this 142?
I have 142, 251, then
No problem.
223.14.
142, 251. 142
Oh,
comes under
that
which class?
B, class B.
B. And what is the number of networks? 2.
I don't know. Two.
Correct, right? These two for network, another two fields is for host. Host is
Oh,
always
okay,
keep on
okay.
changing. Yesterday I said, right, network always
Right.
same. It's a unique number.
So the first two digits, the two stays the same. That's two
Same.
networks.
Yeah, yeah. Look at this. For Google and as well as YouTube.com remains same, the first two field. But
Right.
the last field, it's completely changed because there is a
Different
host
network.
number. Host number.
Oh.
Host number is always keep on changing. The same IP will not get. Do you have Wi-Fi with your home?
Yes.
Okay, whenever you have Wi-Fi, then multiple devices, if that connected to the same Wi-Fi, so that Wi-Fi is going to distribute that IP, which will not repeat the same IP for multiple device. Get it?
Right, right. So it depends on the device,
No,
number
no,
of
not
devices.
any device like computing devices. If that connected to the internet, which will take one IP address. So that IP address network is same, but your host number will be changing.
Understood, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
So check with other website IP. I will tell you what is the importance of IP address later, and when it comes to an hacking process.
Excuse me,
Yeah,
sir.
ma.
Sir, it's not working for me, sir.
Which website, ma?
No, sir, I'm not able to put in the commands.
Okay, so could you share me the screen? 1 minute. Kavya, right?
No, sir, Rishel.
Rachel, okay. I'll make you as a presenter. Just you share me the screen. I can guide you now.
Okay, sir. So after this, I'm supposed
Ping.
to
You type ping, P-I-N-G,
and
space,
enter.
space,
Okay.
hyphen, 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 next to the zero.
Uh,
Next,
okay.
next of zero, you have one small dash. That dash itself is called as hyphen.
Okay, this one, sir.
Then put a 4. Type 4
Yes,
space
sir.
space google.com. Press enter key.
Oh,
Ah,
okay, okay, okay.
got
Thank
it?
you, sir.
Got
Yes,
it?
yes, yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. Okay.
So check my table, how I have written here. If you are getting the same IP or the last two IP that differs, no problem, which belongs to class B itself, then subnet mask remains same, network ID remains the same, whatever I have done. Then broadcast ID also same. Is it done? Any doubts?
Sir, for one of my website, it came request timed out. What does
No
that mean?
problem. No problem. Saying that presently is not available.
Oh, all right, sir.
Okay, so I'm sending you one URL in the WhatsApp group. So please open all five of you. Try to open the same link. Please open that link. Let's take you to one YouTube websites. Wait a minute. Is it done?
Sir, one doubt.
Yeah.
How to know if it's a public or private in that range, sir?
Okay. So public IP. So first try to understand this range, private IP address range of class A, then class B, sorry, then this would be the class C. Class A starts from 10.0.0.0 to 10.255.255.255, 172.16.0.0 to 172.31.255.255. Next would be 192.168.0.0 to 192.168.255.255. So remaining numbers or remaining number range public. Okay, ma?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, so here we have a next part. Sir, I wanted to find out what is my internet speed in the computer system. Like what you do is you open your google.com and you type speed test, press enter key, run speed test and check out what is your internet speed for uploading and downloading files. So right now I'm getting up to 90 plus Mbps speed, and which will report you immediately. So uploading speed and downloading speed. So stating that 90 Mbps, 90 Mbps. So right now you can check your internet speed also, or else there is a one more here, speed test by Okla. This also you can use and say that continue, go for go button and look at this, the speedometer, which will tell you that what would be the internet uploading speed and internet downloading speed, and which connections you have, and also what IP address you have. How to test internet speed. So step number one, open Google google.com, type the keyword speed test itself, then use the first one and second one. It's enough. And check what internet speed you are getting. Is that clear? and finally it is a report area. So I have next criteria is, sir, how to test my internet IP. So right now you have checked what's your website IP. My question is, I wanted to test one is how to identify device IP address. So step number one, open command prompt and use the command ipconfig. Ipconfig, press enter key, and this would be the IP address. Right now my computer system is get connected towards for Ethernet adapter. So this is my IP address. 192.168.1.22. Now could you tell me, is that private IP or public IP? So 192.168, it is private IP. Is it clear? How to identify device IP address. Next, how to identify your internet IP address. How do I do this? Open google.com, then here you type what's my IP, press enter key. The first one itself, just you click, so which will show you your internet IP address is what, and what is the region, what is a zip code, what is a time zone, and which country you are in, and this is your internet IP address. Is it clear? Any doubts now? So first important thing is how to test internet speed. Next, how to identify device IP address, means what's your computer device IP address, and how to identify internet IP address. Internet IP address means any device if you connected to towards Wi-Fi, all devices will have same internet IP. Got it? The router ID is your internet ID or internet IP address.
Sir, when I googled it, I got IPv4 and IPv6. Like I got two IDs. What is
Which
that?
one? Uh, is it for
The
device
internet
ID?
IP address.
Internet
No, no,
IP.
no. Internet.
I guess. Did you use this first one or second one?
Uh, I just used like
I
whatever
think
was there. It's
you
called
have
what
used the
is
second.
my.
I guess you have used this one. It seems.
Yes, I used that one.
Okay, you tried this one.
Okay, sir. So, but what is it? The two IDs?
One is device IP. I'll make you understand. So just imagine this is your internet, and this is your office, Okay, and or you assumes that it is your home. Okay, it is a home network. If you want internet, you have to contact internet service provider. So internet service provider, he will give you a connection, one side and another side. Internet, this would be your ISP, internet service provider. Example like Airtel or Geo, whichever you want, you check it out. So this would be your router, home router. Okay, one part is connected to internet and another part is connected to your local area network. This is your switch. Port 1, port 2, port 3, port 4. So something like this you have, and most of the times you have PC1, PC2, PC3, and PC4, something like this. And which will try to connect like this. These are all your PC. So your router, this is your LAN, local area network. And whatever this side in the internet service provider, whatever we have connected, this would be your WAN, wide area network. Understand, right? You have used
Yeah,
what's my IP
yes, sir.
address? What's my IP address? Correct, right? So that is your device or router ID or router IP address, which is given by internet service provider. Okay, and you have one more gateway here. I can show you in the command prompt. Could you see this? What is gateway here? Default gateway 192.168.1.1. So something like this. So
Yes, sir.
this is your gateway. This particular point. Okay, I will try to change the color here. So this the green color one is a gateway to interact your local area network devices towards uh, public internet. Okay, what I would like to say is this is gateway IP. Okay, this is your router IP, RIP. So router IP assigned by ISP. That never change. But local area devices, whatever you have like PC1, PC2, PC3. Okay, so assume that this is like 192.168.1.2. So something like this for this machine. Then 1.3, next 1.4, next 1.5, something like this. Okay, but for all devices the gateway is same. What is a gateway? 192.168.1.1, something like this. Okay, and also internet IP address also remains same IP, same IP. Your RIP, your device RIP is same again. You got it?
Yes, sir, I got it, sir.
What is the differences now?
So the IPv4 is for the router, and then the V6 will be for the ISP. Is it like
No,
that? Or?
not like that. IPv6, are you getting like this? FE80 something like this?
I am getting
2000 something,
I got
2006.
like full numbers.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
right,
that, uh,
240.
that is also a internet service provider IP. So to find your internet service provider IP of your device, use the website called What's My IP.
All right, sir, I got that.
So check your device IP address. And one more method also I will try to take you. Use Windows key plus R and you type ncpa.cpl, and whenever you open this network property, right click there and check the status and go to the details. You can see here the gateway is, as I said, 1.1, and IP address, look at this, 1.22. This is how I've given here the diagram. So the gateway, whichever is connected towards routers, router will have a two ends. One is connected to LAN, one is connected to WAN. So the WAN IP address is your permanent IP. So any computers, if you use What's My IP, then that would be displayed RIP, router IP, assigned by internet service provider, that never change. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So now you please check here. Imagine this is your home router, as I said earlier part. One side is connected to LAN. So in this case, this would be LAN, this would be a WAN. I can name this as, I would like to take one as LAN, this would be as a WAN, okay? WAN link. Then this is our LAN. Now the question is, imagine in your local area network, this is your local area network. In the entire part, I have around 100, 200 plus computers, then laptops. Then how can I manage this? It's difficult, right? When you have 200 plus computers and laptops, then how can I assign an IP address? So assignment of IP, it's two things. As I said in the last class, one is manually we can assign, and one is uh, automatically, or name it as dynamically. So which one do you prefer now? Which one do you prefer among this? When you have a task for 200 computers and 200 plus laptops, which one do you prefer to assign an IP address?
Dynamically.
Dynamic,
Dynamic.
correct, right? So uh, to perform dynamic IP assignment, we required DHCP service or DHCP server. What I would like to say is your router has to work with the DHCP services. Your router must work like a DHCP server. Any router, if you take, most of the routers will have DHCP. It's a built-in. Is it okay? When you have DHCP services, then the device of the network or router, it's going to manage assigning that IP address automatically. Clear? But you have to specify what is your start IP and what would be the end IP. So start IP, imagine 192.168.1.1. Then end IP, I want 192.168.1. Around 250. So something like this. but right now I want to have around 200 plus. So I started 1.1 and last will be 250 number. This is called as pool. Start IP and end IP, it's called as pool. This must be configured in the DHCP. So once it is configured in the DHCP services or DHCP server, then your device or the particular server taking care of the dynamic IP assignment. That we will see in the practical session here. Continue as a guest. Or else you create your own network user in the network academy. You can get full-fledged access. Okay, so what I would like to take is, I'm going to take around 5 to 10 computers. 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 plus computer systems. This is my switch. Okay, then I would like to take one server here and use this cable, Ethernet cable. Connect that towards individual port. That's all. Now you consider this would be a gigabit Ethernet, something like this. Okay, so now go to server services and enable DHCP. Services must be in on. Then start IP. Okay, 1 minute. I'm going to take one IP address, local IP address of the DHCP. 192.168.1.1. So close this and go to this particular part, and 1.10 I will take, and this is your subnet mask. So now click save. So this is a start IP and remaining that goes to end IP. Okay, so now the service is running. There's a start IP. So 1.10 is going to be start assigning the IP address dynamically. But to identify DHCP server or DHCP services, this IP address is must. Okay, so just you go to the next end device part. Go to this part like desktop area, and in this case I'm taking DHCP or obtain IP address automatically. You can see here 192.168.1.2 automatically is assigned. Close this. Services DHCP. You can see start IP, it has taken with a network ID. Okay, even I will try to change this to 100. Save it, close this. Again you check once again. Yeah, it is saved. Again, what I would like to do is take the static, again switch back to DHCP, and look at this. As you configured, then DHCP request and assigned successfully. Automatically it has given. So 1.100. What would be the next one? Go to DHCP 1.1, 101, 192, 168, 1.101. Next 102. It's keep on moving as many devices if you connect it to the same network. Look at this, which will work in the real time also in the same manner. 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, 1.9. Then how do I ping now? So I'm going to take terminal command prompt, ping space 192.168.1.1. 1.1 is a DHCP server IP address. Press enter key and check, are you getting the replay from that area. And again close. Again you take any one of this PC, command prompt, ping 192.168.1.1. So from any one of the device, if you ping, and you can take 100 also, it's replying. Then 101 also you take, sorry, yeah. Next 102. So whichever assigned by the DHCP, and in the master network, everything is works properly. So if that understood, you type as yes in the comment box. I hope all of you understood what is device IP, what's internet IP, what's your DHCP router, DHCP IP. The parameter is that, understand, right? So don't get confusion. You can check your, when you have your own home network with your router device, is that working? Automatic, the moment if you connected to the hotspot, then automatically router will assign one IP address and start get connected. I request you to install this Cisco packet tracer, right? I guess all of you have installed it since. If not installed, please install and practice the same thing. and I'll try to give an assignment. Assignment part is how DHCP works. What is the DHCP? Assigning IP address process, the process of how it's going to work, and how does it assign that IP address, then how it's take the request, how it's assigned, then how it's getting that acknowledgement, that you try to explain me in the next class. Okay, uh, you consider that as an assignment part. So I'm sending you in the chat box. So how assignment is how DHCP works. DHCP full form is Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. Is there any doubts?
Excuse me, sir.
Yama.
Sir, I'm not able to download the Cisco packet.
Which operating system you have, no?
Windows, sir. Windows 11.
Windows, right?
Yes.
1 minute. I'll share you the link.
It's showing as the existing file is marked as red only.
No, not like that. 1 minute. I'll try to share that itself. So check in the Google Meet message. Just I shared that link. Open that and share me the screen. I will tell you that what is a reason and what is the security parameters needs to be configured. That I will try to check.
Yes, sir. I need to download this one, right, sir?
Not 8.1. Better you go for what is it? 7 series.
7?
7 series. 7.2, 7.3,
Okay.
7.3. Any series you take, 7.3 itself is it's enough. So click on that 64-bit or 32-bit, whichever you want. First one you click on this.
Okay.
Yes. Did you install earlier?
Yes, sir. I did the 8.0.01.
Okay. Click on 7.3.0, whichever you downloaded. Click on that.
Do I say yes?
Wait. So in the taskbar, there is some icon is there, right? Installation icon. Click on that.
It's asking me if I want to allow this
Yes.
app to make
Yes. Yes.
changes.
Yes. Yes. Uh, accept license agreement. Click next. 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 Install. Then after the installation, go to start menu, select 7.3 and open, and you can practice.
Okay, sir.
So click finish and launch this application. Cancel this installation because it's already running. Click OK. Click OK.
Okay.
Got it?
Uh, yes, sir. Okay, yes, sir. Can.
Allow this access. Allow access. Click OK. Click OK. 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 Say OK. OK. No problem. Use this guest login. Click guest login. So it's running on around 20 seconds.
Uh,
So close this web page.
this one, sir.
Yeah, close it. No problem. So your application is putting reminder. Okay, again click confirm. Confirm the guest. Okay. I think multiple times you opened it seems.
Okay.
Okay. Now you can start the things.
Okay. Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, fine. So practice all the things whatever I said. Share me the packet tracer file whatever you have configured. In case if you save in your local system also, no problem. You show me in the next class if you have any doubts to get the clarifications. And one more assignment today itself I gave how DHCP is going to work. So just you google it and understand and just you explain me, or if you not understand how it works then I will try to explain that particular part. So just you've gone through this the questions and read the content, and you have some YouTube videos. You can browse the things and understand. In that understand like the YouTube videos, the YouTubers are explaining us something in a different manner. So if not understand, you ask me that questions also, no problem. Is it okay? So try to work on some resources what I'm going to refer, something like YouTube, Google, AI, something and all. And keep on practice and update yourself. It is only to gain the knowledge, that's all. Okay, is it okay? And again we'll meet up in the next class. So see you all, take care of this.
Thank you, sir.
Fine.
Thank you, sir.
See you all, good night, sweet dreams.